Hello everyone, welcome Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2022. We have here three regular Sudokus. The first one is a binary, then we have a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 6 extra puzzles, and half of them I will solve. Okay, so 3 in the additional and 3 regular Sudokus or puzzles. Total of 6 puzzles. And the news of today is, let me show you the news of today. Yeah. Still news every day. News of the war. Yes. The TV tower in Kyiv is damaged. Still, Kyiv is not conquered. So I thought maybe in 2 days, 3 days, they will conquer. The Russians will conquer Kyiv, but no, it's not conquered. Yes. All right. But first, we will solve these 3 regular puzzles. Puzzle number 1, binary number 4198. 4198. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Well, we have double 1 here. That means here no, there no, and between 2 O's comes a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then let me see. How about 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 once. 1, 2, 3, 4 once. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's in this row. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there is always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have a first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great binary. And I like this one. Without any comparing. Yes. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a Sudoku Medium. Until then, bye bye for now.